Hi, I'm Jeff and welcome to another episode of In a Rush. We'll keep it quick and easy because who knows, you might be in a rush. We're sure you're excited to start maximizing your eStore. But first, you need to configure your preferred modes of payments. On your CMS, select the eStore module, go to the Settings tab, and look for Mode of Payment. The Rush eStore gives you different payment options to enable for your store. These help you cater to your customers' preferred payment mode. Quick trivia, did you know that cash on delivery or COD is still the most preferred payment mode in the Philippines? That's because more than 50 million Filipinos still don't have bank accounts or cannot be served by banks. But there are consumers who already use electronic payment methods. And since the pandemic, more and more Filipinos are beginning to choose cashless payments. As the payment preference in the country continue to evolve, it's important for merchants like you to provide different options to your customers. Now, let's recall the available payment options and how you can enable them. We have COD, credit card, e-wallet via GCash, and bank transfers. Just select your preferred payment method to enable these on your online store. For bank transfers, choose from the list of banks and input your account details. Click Add Bank to add more accounts. After that, click Save. Once done, your selected payment method will be visible on your digital store. Simple, right? In the next episode, I'll show you how to configure optional fees, so don't miss it. This has been Jeff, and thank you for tuning in to In a Rush.